core system libraries failing because of the Vault Service Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. I've linked the primary utility for Vault Service Module in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Vault Service Module, the service-side library for the Windows Credential Vault. It manages the background storage and encryption of system secrets and tokens. If this file is corrupted, the Credential Manager service will fail to start, preventing Windows from authenticating users for network shares or saved web credentials. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This problem affects the core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Vault Service Module. If no luck was had with the Redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Vault Service Module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Please use caution. Replacing Vault Service Module DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Vault Service Module within a Windows library environment. Thank you for trusting us with Vault Service Module repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.